So we're going to talk about how there's so many ways, so many strategies to add to 100. And one thing we'll be talking a lot about is the most efficient way to do something. So let me see who's crisscross applesauce today.
Hey, I saw that on Facebook this morning.
It was up there, and we're going to put it back up there because you guys, when you see this word, you need to know that the most efficient strategy means the quickest and the best way to do something. Uh-oh, did we bring something to the carpet?
I think so.
Yeah, so when we talk about an efficient way to do something, so let me give you an example. If I were to find the most efficient way to get to that back door, would I go over there and then over there, then around the desk, then through, and then behind the table, and back up here, and then to the door?
No.
No. What would be the most efficient way for me to get to the door, Michael?
Just when you're over here, you can just go walk.
I would just go, yeah, the fastest and the best way would probably go maybe left and then straight, right? So if you guys could pass this to Lizzie and she'll put it up.
Right.
So one efficient strategy when we're talking about adding to 100 is to break up a number in its place value. So break it up into tens and ones, and then you can add all the ones and you can add all the tens. I'm just looking at everyone's hands and making sure that they're in your laps. Let me see if they're in your laps. Good. Okay, so we're going to practice first with just breaking up one number, and then we'll practice breaking up two numbers and adding them together. So show me with your fingers how many ones are in the number 21. Show me with your fingers. How many ones? Okay. Will you move that over to the ones place? And then show me with your fingers, good, how many tens are in the number 21. Oh, yeah. Let me see on your fingers. Stella, would you do that for me? Yeah, if you have two up, then you're right. Now we're going to break up one number with its tens and its ones. So if I hand you a whiteboard, that means you're sitting so nicely. Oh, so nicely, wow. So nicely. And I love, did you notice what Zach did when he just got his whiteboard? Did he like pick it up and play with it? Look what he did. Look at where his hands are. I love it. And I'll call one person to the board, and the rest of you are going to do it on your whiteboard. We're going to practice breaking 33 up into tens and ones by drawing the tens and drawing the ones.
Oh my God.
So let's see. He's sitting nicely. And Cole, and yes, he is sitting so nicely. Cole's going to do it on the smart board. And I want you guys to draw the tens in 33, plus how many ones are in 33, and draw them. So your board should look like what Cole is doing on the smart board. Look up here. Here's an example. Gabby drew her 3 tens plus 3 ones. Audrey found a very efficient way to draw the tens. What do you notice about her tens, Howard? Did she make big rectangles?
Yeah.
Or did she just make big long lines? She did make big long lines, and you know what? That is a very efficient way to draw the tens. When you're drawing them out, excuse me, Cole, you don't have to draw big rectangles. A quicker way to do it is just to draw a long line. And I will know that's a 10 because I know 10s are tall and long. To go back to your seat and start your independent work, you're going to get a ticket.
What does it say?
you have to look at your ticket and decide if what it says is true or false. Okay, Charlie, you may go.
No. What's really hard? 285 hats. You can't trade.
Go ahead back to your seat. Put the board away. Oh, you make that. And I would like to give a table point to the first table sitting with their pencils out working. Ella, you may go. Roshi, you may go. Ashley, you may go. Derek? Thank you. So if you see 10 plus 30, you're going to draw 10, still do the addition sign, the plus sign, and you're going to draw 30. See 10 plus 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. You're going to draw what you're doing too on the bottom.